Hey everybody, this is the first box I will be opening. I'm going to open 2008 Upper Deck Baseball. Hopefully I get something good. You're supposed to get 2 memorabilia cards and 1 autograph card. Lots of Yankee Stadium Legacy stuff too. So here we go. First pack. Lots of rookies. Sorry about Eric Hosmer USA card. The video might not be the best, but sorry about that. That was about it in that pack. Oh, rookies. Another USA card, Robbie Grossman. That's about it. Third pack. Another USA, Matthew Kirk. Nothing so far. Still got a lot to go though. Another USA card.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. Really bad traffic. Don't worry about it, man. Come on, join us out in pizza.
I should be doing this at least once a week, so if you check back, you'll probably see another one every week. Another box.
So, what's it like facing Pittsburgh's D when you know they're going to double you all game?
Try game down by 1 in LA.
Got a presidential predictor card. Hillary Clinton and John McCain. Another presidential predictor card.
And free online access to ESPN Inside. So come hang out with us. Call 1-877-ESPN Bank.
This one is... that's another. Hillary Clinton, John McCain.
And you better have voted for Spaceballs. Armageddon's still up there. Wow, Newbie versus Awesome. Newbie, awesome. Thank you.
Oh, here's my first jersey. It is a Tyler Hibbs USA jersey. That will be on the internet. Probably only put the jerseys and autographs on there. Oh, here's my autograph jersey. This one is LJ Hose. Pretty nice. Oh, phone call. I'll get that phone call when I'm done. I should have one more jersey left at least. Oh, here's my first Yankee Stadium Legacy card. Next to Ramirez rookie.
Yep, I said that. We're talking about Bill Belichick and his quitting.
My phone's gonna ring the whole time. Earl Combs. Rookies.
That is, he is so driven, so intellectually interested. He is so often in the film room, he doesn't even care when he finally comes out of it what he looks
What
like.
do we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4.
17, 18 hours a day.
Down to 5 packs.
Miserable and photographed.
Oh, this is a nice card.
What do they say?
People are buying your theory.
That'll definitely be on there. Tell you what it is in a second.
Take a look at Albert Einstein, and like any good web producer I did, well, there you go.
Got another USA card, Seth Frankoff.
Thank you. Now, Michelle, it's your turn. We were talking about a possible mission to Mars. You have
Might be the best card in the whole box so far. This is a Derek Jeter
I do not think we should go to Mars.
gold card, numbered to 99.
Batteries. They give us the smaller batteries from research that comes from NASA. However, Mars has no problems down here. Yeah, I said that. In an effort to try to justify going to Mars, I was doing a little homework, and apparently some research that came about as a result of various space trips has actually led to different
Justin
batteries.
Smoke,
Good things do come out of
USA card.
You know what? I'm not even going to defend it because I still don't think we should go to Mars.
Here's an autograph card.
Oh, man.
Put that out there quick.
Disagrees quite a bit, and Dustin says yes, they should. But according to Michelle's conspiracy,
USA autograph.
they should get to the moon first.
Danny Espinosa. It's 2 autographs so far. You're supposed to get 1 autograph and 2 jerseys, so that might be it. Who knows? Might get something else. Get lucky. I got a Yankee Stadium Legacy card. Herb something or other.
That's daunting. That's enough for him.
You still have time to change it legally.
No, I'll consider it over the weekend.
Okay, well, you should. All right, everybody buckle up. It's time for the best 90 seconds in all of Sports Nation. It is end of the day.
At the end of the day, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, I don't think that's good enough.
Nothing in this one. No, I did get a Bob something. Yankee Stadium card. Last pack. Probably get another one of these boxes next week. So if you want to check back, watch me open another one. I didn't do too bad in this box.
Even if you're not Stuart Sink, you can still get this replica of the British Open trophy for only $40.
That's kind of a deal.
I think that's money well spent.
Take it to your public course and tell them you are Stuart Sink.
Back to the day.
And no more jersey autographs, but the last card to end it is a Wally Pip Yankee Stadium Legacy. That's it for today. I got, what did I get? 2 jerseys. I got a jersey, an autograph, and a jersey autograph, all USA cards. And the Derek Jeter. And that should also be online, so look at my eBay name. That's where they'll be. Catch you next week.